Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your upside down computer screen in just a few simple steps. If you've accidentally rotated your screen and want to get it back to normal, follow along. The first thing you need to do is right-click anywhere on your desktop, so don't click on any icons or apps, just on the blank space of your desktop. This will open up a menu with several options. From that menu, click on Display Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust how your screen looks and behaves. Once you're in the Display Settings window, scroll down a bit, and you'll see a section called Display Orientation. Here, you can change how your screen is rotated. If your screen is upside down, it's likely set to Landscape. So, you'll want to change it to Landscape to return it to the normal position. After you select Landscape, Windows might ask if you want to keep these display settings. Click Keep Changes, and you're done. And that's it! Your screen should now be back to normal, and you don't have to worry about it being upside down anymore. If this helped you fix your screen, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.